The one I think is best is option A. One thing to think about when you look at the module groupings and try to decide which is best, if it's a good module, we should be able to give it a name. It should be conceptually corresponding to something we're thinking about. And if you look at the modules here, the way A is divided, all of the things in A are things that you can do before a query comes in. These are things that you're doing based on just building the corpus of the web. All the things in the second module here are things that you can do only after a query comes in. And it makes a lot of sense to divide those two phases. In version B, I've grouped lookup in the first module. And lookup is used by both lucky search and ordered search. It's not used by any of the functions that build the corpus. So it doesn't really make a lot of sense to have it here. If we have it here, the interface between these two modules is going to be much more complex than it would be if we put lookup in the second module. So that's why I prefer option A to either the other two. Option C doesn't really make much sense to have lookup be all its own module. There are certainly other options, and I would encourage you to discuss them in the forum if you have another suggestion of how to modularize this.